Hey everybody, I am freezing my butt off in the garage. It is February, I don't have a space heater and I'm ready for spring. But I want to talk to you today about how can we remove gum from carpets in the best professional way. This is a pro tip. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. So I've already pre-vacuumed and the customer has pointed out that there is some gum in the carpet. You can see it here, it's nice and sticky. In a previous video, I did a story, or at least I did a video about how I can use Citrol to remove gum from carpets. That's not a safe way, that's not the way pros would do it. I want to show you what we can do professionally to take care of this the right way. This is my Bridgepoint Professional Spotting Kit, and I've got all kinds of amazing tools in here. The solution that I want to use is called Jailbreak. How do I know that? Well, I just simply looked at the guide that comes with this professional spotting kit. How awesome is this? You poke holes in the gum with your gum getter. I'm going to use my handy brush here. I think you just need something to poke into there. And then the next tip says, apply Jailbreak to surface of gum and let dwell for 5 to 10 minutes. So I'm going to use my little handy brush. This can help you groom carpets, but it also has the spot on the back that can kind of agitate a little bit. I think that's about all we're gonna do. Let's try Jailbreak. Okay, here's my product, an adhesive remover from the professional carpet cleaning world. I'm just simply going to apply some of this. There we go. I'm gonna apply some of this to this spot. It says avoid over application, so let me just kind of work that in. And then it says to let it sit for then it says to let it sit for 10 minutes. So I'm just going to do that, even though it didn't say to do that. Make sure it's all on there. And I'm gonna come back in 5 to 10 minutes. And it turns out the professional spotting kit does come with the gum getter. So let's go ahead and try this. This has been dwelling for about 10 minutes. I've never done this before, but I'm just gonna kind of pick away at it. I don't even know where the gum is, but this sure looks like it's broken it away. I like this little thing with the edges because you can kind of, I'm agitating a little bit, seeing where that spent gum is. That was down in there, but I'm just gonna kind of mop up with a towel. And it feels like there's just a little bit left. So I may get a little bit more aggressive, because remember, car upholstery and carpets are nearly bulletproof, and you know, they take a big beating. Okay, it all feels pretty fluid in there. I don't feel anything hard anymore. So it looks like the gum pretty much just dissolved, and I'm just kind of wiping it into this towel. Now the instruction is to just apply a little bit more and then just wipe away whatever is left with a towel. And then after this, we're just going to extract it with hot water. And there you go.